Hi Canaries, today we're going to read Hey Wake Up by Sandra Boyan. Hey big guys, open your eyes. What do you say? It's a brand new day. Yawn, stretch, touch your toes. Shimmy shimmy, wiggle your nose. Shout out, good morning sun, happy morning everyone. Hey little guys, open your eyes. What do you say? It's a brand new day. Yawn, stretch, touch your feet. Breakfast time, come on, let's eat. Orange juice and cereal too, buttered toast and broccoli stew. Hurry, hurry, go get dressed, put on the clothes that you like best. Hey, hey, what do you say? Are you ready? Let's go play. You're too small for basketball unless you play with someone tall. You're too big to use the swings. You should go do big guy things. Try out the jump rope. Slide down the slide. Are you tired? Come on inside. Morning snack is here for you. Milk and cookies and broccoli stew. Ooh, for the bunny, not you. The end.